Once upon a December day, the first snow arrives at Cobweb Cottage. It's a sort of magical snowfall so gentle that when you awake in the morning, you feel as though you've woken inside a dream of sugar plums and frost fairies. This is how we felt peeking through our lace curtains, watching the snowflakes glide softly to the ground. The evergreen woods are silent, save for the distant hoot of an owl, while creatures like Tibby the chipmunk sleep soundly as he hibernates in his warm burrow beneath the garden beds. Next door to our little yellow cottage, even the neighbors rest quietly in the old cemetery, tucked beneath a blanket of snow in the moonlight. Here in our cozy home, the holidays are humble. Each day reveals a new kind of magic, like opening the doors of an advent calendar one by one. And yet there is a special celebration we count down to even before Christmas arrives. The winter solstice is the shortest day of the year and the longest night, reminds us that even in the deepest darkness, a light of hope still glows within our hearts and our home. And that feels like something to celebrate here in the Hudson Valley countryside. Our Yuletide festivities are simple yet meaningful, spent crafting and peppermint baking to celebrate the coldest yet most heartwarming season. A feeling much like receiving a season's greeting card from a faraway friend, one that melts your heart the way marshmallows melt into hot chocolate. This time of year, we often revisit the childhood stories that bring us comfort and nostalgia, tales like Brambly Hedge. Though we prefer our cottage mice to stay outdoors, we can hear them scampering softly in the attic and imagine that they too are preparing for Yuletide, with miniature cakes and tiny snow mice of their own. This year, we are given the greatest gift that doesn't fit under a tree: an enchanting snowfall, the kind that wraps the world in glistening wonder like a warm blanket. Here at Cobweb Cottage, it feels as though we're living within the pages of our own vintage storybook as a new season and year is on the horizon. So pour yourself a cup of cheer, settle in, and let the story comfort you, from our home to yours. Here we let the winter fairy tale unfold, once upon a winter day. In this busy season of gifts and gatherings, it's easy to get swept up in the hustle and bustle of it all. The holidays aren't always a happy time for everyone. Some of us are struggling to make ends meet, and others are homesick and missing family, and it's okay if this time of year doesn't always feel festive. This gift of a snowfall calls us to slow down and step out of the rush for a little while, welcoming the quiet nature of winter as it beckons us to rest and reflect. It's a gift we cherish, much like the time we're able to spend together and the simple blessing of having a roof over our heads. And in moments like these, slowing down also means being mindful of the things that support us through the season. We're grateful to pause here for a moment before continuing our winter story. Hello there! I hope you're enjoying watching this video so far. I just wanted to take a quick moment to thank the sponsor of this video, Pair Eyewear. This year I realized how important it is to take better care of my eyes with these lovely stylish blue light glasses. If you've been watching for a while, then you know I love styles that can be worn and reworn in different ways, and Pair makes it so easy with just a snap. These base frames are so lightweight and classic, and it's so fun that you can just magnetically snap on a new look in seconds. There are 18 base frames to pick from. This is the Ella base frame in black, which has a very vintage vibe that I love. If I'm feeling a little retro, then I can just pop on this topper in chocolate. If I want to feel a little festive, I can just pop on this cranberry houndstooth from the holiday collection. And when I step outside, it's so easy to pop on the polarized sun top in black. Ordering online was so easy. I used the website's virtual try-on tool, which is so handy to see which styles fit your face. Pair offers Premium Plus lenses for those with strong prescriptions. There are frames for men, women, and children. There's a 30-day return policy, and everything ships so quickly. And a portion of your first base frame order goes towards a Pair for a Pair initiative, which provides glasses for children in need. I love how these customizable glasses save space and money. The base frames start at $60 and the top frames start at $25. So it's really satisfying that one pair of glasses can have endless possibilities. There are over 400 top frames to pick from and new collections being released all the time. So just click the link in the description box to save up to 30% on their holiday sale. And don't forget to use the code CharmingLifeGift15 for a free gift with your purchase. Thank you Pair Eyewear for partnering with us on this video, and now let's continue with the cozy video. We've decorated the cottage to feel a little like a gingerbread house, filled with gifts from nature and tiny vintage treasures that we've thrifted over the years to fill our home with charm. We don't have a Christmas tree this year, and though it would have been nice, each year is different and each year makes its own memories. What makes this season especially meaningful are these snowflake ornaments handmade by Jonas's mother in Sweden. Maybe one day they'll hang on a tree, but for now we thought we'd make a simple garland to display them, a quiet way to honor winter, family, and holiday traditions.
In the cottage kitchen, we are ready to bake snowflake-shaped cookies with a peppermint topping for a cozy fika time. This is a recipe from my Swedish Christmas, or jul as we say, which means wheel. And it's nice to imagine that soon the days are turning brighter again.
As the tea brews and the kitchen fills with warmth and candlelight, we reflect on the Advent season and in our own simple way begin to welcome the turning of the year once again.
As I pack an order with a hand-painted Christmas card, we want to extend a small greeting to you. One that carries a very big thank you for your support of our small business this year has meant more to us than we can say. We wish you truly and from the heart much happiness in all your ways, bright hope and memories glad and sweet, both now and in the days to come. Wishing you a peaceful Yuletide and a happy New Year. Until next time, bye for now from all of us at Cobweb Cottage.